Hello mga peeps! Ngayon naman pag-aralan natin ang pronoun. Okay? Do you know pronoun? I, she, he, her. Remember? Okay, ngayon naman Tagalogin mo. Tagalog, English, from English to Tagalog. Pronoun your. Owning or belong to. Okay, in Tagalog, sa iyo, ikaw, ka. Okay, your. Pronoun your, contraction of you are. Your. In Tagalog, ikaw, kayo. Okay. There, doon. There, contraction of they are. Sila, sina. Okay? This is, they. This is, plural ng you. Okay? Sila, sina. There, sa kanila. Plural also. Than, used for comparison, mas. Okay? If you're comparing one thing to another, mas. Mas maganda siya, something ganyan. Mas maganda ito, okay. Than. It's beautiful. She's beautiful than, okay. Then, a point in time when you are telling a story, tapos, ganon, like that. To also or excessively, din or rin. Maganda din. Maganda rin. Okay? Din or rin or. Okay? Bye-bye.